Namaste. Myself Dr. Monica. Today I'm going to be talking about mudra hand yogas. Mudras are basically the hand gestures which usually we use to express certain emotions. It also has a very positive impact on our physical body. Mudra helps to create and complete certain energy flow in our body by creating a loop or a circuit. These fingers are or the hands movements. It helps different influence, or it's connected with different reflexes. This also helps to improve our mental stability and to overcome physical ailments. There is also the concept of 5 elements. 5 elements, these are air, space, fire, water, and the earth element. Now there is a concept in Ayurveda which denotes these 5 elements are located or as being signified with different fingers in the hands. Thumb, it signifies the fire element. Index finger, it signifies the Vayu, air element. Middle finger, the space element. Ring finger, it denotes the earth element, and the little finger, it denotes the water element. So these are the sides of 5 elements in our hand, in the fingers. So today I'm gonna be showing you some simple hand mudra yogas which can easily be done, and it has a very positive influence on our physical as well as mental well-being. So the very first one here is very common, chin mudra. Chin mudra, also known as jnana mudra. How to do this? So here you have to touch the tip of the index finger with the tip of the thumb. So when you do mudra, you have to sit comfortably and easily. You can sit in the sukhasana, or you can also sit with the backrest and the chair, okay, comfortably. So you have to place both the hands on at the level of your knees. So this is chin mudra, also known as jnana mudra. So usually we do this mudra while we are sitting in, when you do some pranayama, or when you sit for meditation, for taking some deep breathings. So it helps to enhance creativity. It helps to enhance concentration, focus, and at the same time it helps to relax your mind and release stress. So this is called as chin mudra, the first one. Now moving to second mudra, which I'm going to be showing you now, is called as Vayu mudra. How to do this? You gently roll your index finger under the thumb and then gently press with the help of the thumb the index finger. Other 3 fingers will be aligned and stretched outwards. This mudra, called as Vayu mudra, Vayu means the air element. Also it signifies the Vata dosha in Ayurveda. Vata is combination of air and the space element. So when you sit with the Vayu mudra, it helps to release all the excessive air or the Vata imbalanced in the body. It helps to relieve from excessive discomfort in your abdomen because of too much of air, gases, which also makes you feel like bloated. It helps to release this discomfort. It's also very useful for the people who have problems with rheumatic ailments, which are problems of rheumatic arthritis, joint problems, which is also the vata disorder. So doing this Vayu Mudra can help to relieve these symptoms. So this is the second mudra which I am showing you now today. Next, moving to the third one, it's called as Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi Prithvi means the earth element. Okay, Prithvi means earth. So earth element in our body needs to be balanced. How to do this? So here you will touch the tip of the ring finger with the tip of your thumb. Have to be done with both the hands. So like this. Other fingers, the little, middle and the index finger has to be stretched outwards, aligned together. So this Prithvi Mudra also it helps to balance the Kapha dosha. Kapha dosha according to Ayurveda, amongst these three doshas, Kapha dosha, which is responsible for the earth element, which is responsible for the better strengthening of our body, which is it also helps to strengthen your bone density. It further facilitates to strengthen your muscles, ligaments, tendons. So it's very useful for all the locomotory functions. Further, it helps to reduce the general debility, lack of strength. So people who have this problem of or difficulty to gain weight, it's very good if you sit with this mudra to enhance the weight. It's very good to improve the symptoms, to reduce the symptoms of lethargicness, tiredness, fatigueness. And as it helps to enhance the earth element in our body, it helps also to reduce the excessive fire element in the body. So it helps to relieve the symptoms or the problems with the inflammatory disorders. So when you have problems of reflux, hyperacidity, migraines, symptoms are there. Also, this is very beneficial in order to reduce the symptoms of high blood pressure. So this is the Prithvi Mudra. The next one, which I am going the fourth mudra today, which we are going to do, is called as Agni Mudra. So this is very simple. This was the Prithvi Mudra, where you have to touch the tip of the ring finger with the thumb. The next mudra is just continuation. You have to roll the ring finger under the thumb and then gently press with your thumb. Okay? So this is the Agni Mudra. Agni Mudra, it's the fire element, and in Ayurveda it denotes the Pitta dosha. So Agni Mudra, it's very good to enhance the fire element in our body. Further, it facilitates or enhances the metabolic functions. It helps to improve your digestion, absorption, assimilation. And then this also helps to overcome the symptoms when you have like cold extremities, feeling of coldness inside the body. So when you do this Agni Mudra, it helps to uplift the fire element in the body, and further it reduces the coldness or the air element in the body. Okay, so this is the Agni Mudra. Okay. This also helps to improve your problems related with cholesterol, so when the people suffering from high cholesterol, Agni Mudra can be very beneficial for them. Okay, this was the fourth mudra. Now the fifth one, which I'm gonna be showing today, is Apana Mudra. Okay, Apana is one of the type of Vata. Apana Mudra, how to do this? So here you have to gently touch the tip of the ring finger and the middle finger to the tip of the thumb. Other two, little finger and the index finger, will be stretched outwards. Okay, like this. Yeah, like a bird. Yes, so this is Apana Mudra. Apana Mudra, as I mentioned, it is a form of, it's a type of Vata. Okay. The Apan Vayu is responsible for functioning related with elimination of the toxins in the body. I'm gonna be showing you one diagram in the end which will help you to understand the things better about this situation or the site of different Vatas. Okay, so Apana Mudra, this helps to elimination of the toxins. So it's basically helps to improve the functioning of your lower abdominal organs, which is like your large intestine, the pelvic organs. It also helps to improve the function of pancreas and kidneys. This mudra is also very effective for the people suffering from diabetes. Apana Mudra. This mudra also has been used in spiritual practices while we are doing some offerings, no? Like when you do the Sandhya Vandanam, or you do Agni Hotras, when you're offering to the fire element or to the god, you do with this mudra. Okay, so it has also there is saying about this mudra in the spiritual practices. Okay, so this is the Apana Mudra. It helps for the better functioning related with the lower part of the body. It's also very good for releasing the pain during the menstrual cramp. It's very good also to improve your lower abdominal function. So symptoms like constipation, indigestion also gets relieved. Apana Mudra. Okay. Moving to the next one, it's Prana Mudra. How to do this? Here you have to touch the tip of the ring finger and the little finger to the tip of the thumb. The other two, middle and the index finger, will be aligned and stretched upwards like this. So you sit with your palm straight. This Prana Mudra, the name itself, it says it helps to enhance the prana, the energy. So when you have a feeling of low energy, lethargicness, you have symptoms of excessive yawning, like for example, when you're sitting in front of the computer in the office, or you feel little bit tired. So this mudra can help to release the fatigueness, tiredness, lethargicness. At the same time, it helps to enhance the prana, the positive energy, positive vibrations in the body. Prana Mudra. Moving to the next one, it's called Dhyana Mudra. How to do this? Here you have to sit comfortably and one hand should be below the another like this, and both the thumbs tip touching each other. Gently place it below the navel. So this is usually practiced when you are sitting in meditations for relaxation. This mudra helps to enhance your focus, concentration. As the name Dhyana itself denotes, enhancing your mental abilities to improve your focus, concentration, alertness, and also to go much more deeper with your consciousness. So this is called Dhyana Mudra. Okay? And the last but not the least is Namaste. Anjali Mudra, which very often we do when we say Namaste. It's a practice in India to say Namaste as when you are greeting somebody or when you are leaving, you say Namaste. So this denotes, or it helps to align your mental awareness, emotions, your feelings of the heart, and also physical movements or energy. So it helps to bring the proper harmony between your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So with this, I would like to end today's Mudra Hand Yoga session. Just to brief, the first one we did Jnana Mudra, Chin Mudra, then Vayu Mudra, third Prithvi Mudra, fourth Agni Mudra, fifth Apana Mudra, next Prana Mudra, next Dhyana Mudra, and then Namaste, Anjali Mudra. So these mudras you can do very easily nowadays when you are at home, when you are sitting doing nothing, when you're sitting in front of the television, or if you are reading books or just sitting. Also it can be done when you are moving, when you are walking, when you are taking, like now, okay, this is the time when we are under lockdown, so we don't have an opportunity to go out for walk. But otherwise you can also do these mudras while you're walking. This can be done in 2 to 3 sections, 2 to 3 sessions you can do of these mudras. You can do all of them together, or whichever specifically you feel the need or beneficial requirement for you. You can do them in 2 to 3 different sessions from the time interval of 10 to 15 minutes each. And this can also be done while performing yoga, asanas, meditations, and pranayamas. Okay? If you have any questions, you can ask me about these mudra hand yogas. Okay? And as I mentioned, just to make little clarity, about these mudras, here I have done the diagram, if you can see. Okay, so these are different types of vata, and these are different site of vata in our body. Okay, starting from below, this is the site of apana vata. So the apana mudra, it helps for functionings or improving the energy flow in below the navel, below the abdomen. So it's good for pelvic floor to feet, for elimination of the toxins, for menstruation, so improving the menstrual cycle, menstrual bleeding, to release the menstrual cramps. So this is from the lower abdomen to the lower extremity. The next one is Vyana Vayu. It helps for improving the circulation. So the Vayu Mudra which we said, okay. So improving the circulation, movements. The third is the Samana, which helps for improving, it's at the place of navel or the abdomen area. It's good for digestion, metabolic function. Agni Mudra. Okay. Prana Mudra, it's at the place of our respiratory site here, also the heart. So it helps for improving your respiration. It's also good for overcoming Prana Mudra. You remember this one? So it helps to improve your respiratory functions, to relieve the problem of bronchitis, asthma. And then the Jnana Mudra, it helps to enhance your mental abilities. Chin Mudra. Okay, so that is for improving your memory, focus. Okay, so just to make these things little bit more understood, we have done this. Okay, I hope you like this session today. If you have any further queries, you can always write to me and I will answer your questions. So this is all for today. We'll meet soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. Namaste. Ciao.